Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we customize font size setting in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to customize your font size setting in your Samsung phone. So friends, how can you customize guys according to yourself? How can you use your font size setting today? I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it and click on guys your display setting guys. The display setting guys, we will tap here, then guys again scroll fans, you can see guys your font and style setting guys, tap here. So fans again scroll fans, you can see your font size setting guys. You can see there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 size guys, means small to small, little, default, large, extra large and larger size guys. You can customize according to yourself guys. So I will click on this normal size guys, medium size, and friends come back. So friends, you can see guys your font size will normal. So like that guy, we can use font size setting, we can customize according to ourselves. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.